After 2 years of unprecedented disruption, the cruise industry now is roaring back to life.
Although those vessels are disconnected in the middle of the ocean, they need to be connected. The dependency of communications on the cruise ships is not a nice to have. It has to happen.
Providing a great experience on the ship. The biggest part of that is consistency, meaning wherever the ship is going, that they have a consistent experience, and they're expecting us to provide that 24/7, 365. We strive to be excellent at that, providing also the best connectivity to any ship out there.
We're able to deliver private dedicated connectivity to the cloud for any cloud workload in any location. I'm Shira Levine. I head up product marketing for the cloud team at SES.
I'm Greg Martin, VP of Product Management Maritime for SES.
I'm Madeline Vidal. I'm the product manager for Maritime Cruise at SES.
I'm Mark Bieberich, Vice President of Portfolio and Segment Marketing at SES. And this is Close Up with Cruise.